I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a Mac running and you're logged in. Let's start. First, open Finder, the built-in file manager, by clicking the smiling Finder icon in the dock. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Command plus space, type Finder, then enter. Once done, make sure Finder windows appear. That shows the file manager is active. If Finder is not visible, open System Preferences, check the dock settings so the Finder icon is displayed. This gets you directly to File Navigation and Search. Now you're inside Finder, and you'll learn how to find files fast. Use the sidebar to jump to Favorites, iCloud Drive, or Connected Devices. That saves clicks. Switch views with Command +1 through Command +4, Icon, List, Column, Gallery, because different views reveal different details. Use the search box in the window or press Command +F to refine by kind, date, or name. Put a prefix like kind, PDF to filter. Once you've located files, drag, copy, or use to finish, perform file actions. Double-click to open, use Move to for organization, copy and rename with right-click, and get info for permissions. Once done, close Windows to keep Finder tidy. If Finder freezes or won't show files, press Option plus Command plus S, choose Finder, then relaunch. That resolves most hangs. If problems persist, reboot, check about this Mac storage for disk issues, and confirm folder permissions in Get Info. That restores normal file manager behavior and keeps your files accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.